Boiling. I'm not married, no. Hello, Rashid. How are you? Hi. Hi, Rashid. So that is getting to a boil. I need to set up some ice water. You look so mother-like. You're good. Go for it, Bugs. I trust you. All right. Eggs. All right. Some eggies. Yeah, go for it, Bugs. And I will move us around. It was a threat. Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay. There. I need a croissant. I'll do that. Yeah, go ahead. No, leave it. Leave it till the eggs are done. Oh, yeah, everything stays cold. Ow, almost pinched my finger. Okay, that's going. I'm turning the fan on for the water, so. Alright. Alright. That's preheating. We're gonna get some ice water. Can everyone hear me okay? It should have noise cancellation for the fan. Can everyone hear me okay? Y'all, me being tired is no joke. Hi, Rashid. Yeah, my brain is so dead. Ice, baby. Oh, Sadie, hi. Brighter than the sky, sweet as apple pie. Hello, I can't help but shine, brighter than the sky. It's either Samir, Mahmoud, or Maruf. I don't understand the language, so I go off the profile picture to remind me, but it looks like you changed it. Samir, well, which is it Samir, Mahmoud, or Maruf? Which is it? Samir? Oh, okay, good. So that was my first guess. Yes. Hi, Samir. Shaquille. I heard you, Muhammad. Thank you. I heard you. Thank you. And I am making a mess because I am not pouring this over the sink like smart. That would be smart. And now I got some water on the floor I get to clean up. That's nice. That's not much. Malika Kone. I don't understand. Ow! Whoa. Oh, that hurt. Ow, that burns. Alright. Put the ice in the fridge. Almost. I didn't even move this around so y'all can see the actual cooking. I'm sorry. Hold on, y'all. Good afternoon, the mechanic. How Hey! And then I was having fried my eggs. Ice water for our boiled eggs. Actually boiled.
Hi! Hey, Marcos!
Hi! Aw, hi! Were you here to see the sunburn reveal? Showing all the sunburn? I'll show it again in a second. It sucks. Oh, thank you. I'm just getting some more filtered water. Hi! Hermosa, gracias. Alright, water's almost boiling. We're not there yet. But I'll go ahead and start frying my eggs. Just a little.